Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and today I'll show you how to use the reverse wireless charging. So to get started you want to open up the notification panel, so pull it down right, grabbing from the top, and then you will see right here wireless power share, so that's how it's called on Samsung. And all you need to do is just tap on it to enable it. I'll give you this little message. I'm gonna lock the device so I don't press anything by mistake. I'm gonna flip the device over. And you can see, this is my phone, it's not plugged in. And it shows that it's charging now. Now if I move it away, it disappears, as you can see, because it's not charging anymore. So that is how you would use this. And let me flip the phone back over. And once you're done, you can just tap on cancel. And I think if you're not charging the device or anything, using the reverse charging, it will disable itself on its own after a couple minutes of being like idle. So you don't really need to worry about it draining the battery because it's not being used. But yeah, that's basically how you would enable it, by pulling down notification and clicking on the wireless power share icon. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.